All right, we're continuing with our 2.2 notes. We're on 2.2c, properties of sound waves. So sound waves have these 4 properties: intensity, loudness, frequency, and pitch. So intensity is the amount of energy the wave carries per second through a unit of area. So again, intensity is the amount of energy the wave carries per second through a unit of area. So it's how intense. If it carries more energy, then it's going to be more intense. If it carries less energy, then it's going to be less intense. So amplitude increases with increased energy. So that means that if there is a higher amplitude, then it's more intense. So this is less intense, and this is more intense. And this is measured in watts per square meter. All right, so loudness. Loudness describes what you actually hear. Though not the same as loudness, the greater the intensity of a sound, the louder it is. So if something has a higher intensity, has a higher amplitude, then it's going to be louder. And loudness is measured in decibels, which is abbreviated with a lowercase d and a capital B. The maximum safe level is 85 decibels. So we've got these this range. It's asking you to name 2 sounds that are not safe for humans. But let's first look at some lower ones. So we got breathing. That's only 10. Whispering, light snoring is only 20. A quiet room is 30. So this is the area that is a nice calm classroom when it's between 20 and 30 decibels. And then you can see, let's go higher up. So a subway train, that's 100 decibels. All right. This is outside of that safe level. Industrial noise, outside of that safe level. Jet plane taking off and gunshot / metal concert is 130 decibels. So these are unsafe, and actually if you continue to expose yourself to these loud sounds, it can cause hearing damage. So frequency. Frequency is the number of vibrations that occur per second. So higher frequency means that more vibrations are happening. Wavelength changes with frequency. So these right here are lower frequency, and this is a higher frequency. All right, so which color has the greatest frequency? The blue one does, higher frequency. Which color has the lowest frequency? It's going to be the red here. Because you can see that more crests are passing, more wavelengths per second in the blue one versus the red one. I don't know if I said this already, but it's measured in hertz, which is abbreviated as Hz. So 50 hertz equals 50 vibrations per second. And lastly, pitch. I think this is the last one. Pitch is a description of how high or low the sound seems to a person. So something that has a high frequency has a high-pitched noise. It's like a screech, a really high-pitched noise. And then a low frequency is a low-pitched sound. So here is low pitch and here is high frequency. So you can see, yes, I'm right. Higher pitch, higher frequency. So for example, a young girl might have a squeaky high-pitched voice, where an older man might have a deeper low-pitched voice.